Good morning, everyone. So, dear kids, can you tell me what day is today? Yes, very good. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. And do you know, children, weather is going to change now? Change हो रहा है weather? Yes. So, dear kids, today we will revise our transport. So, today we will revise our topic transport. And as you know, children, transport is very important for everyone. We can go one place to other place by using transport. Okay, transportation is very important to everyone. So, lovely kids, as you can see here on my display board, so many transports are there. So, air transport, land transport and water transport. So, lovely kids, you can see जो transport air में चलते हैं, we call them air transport. Kids, you can see in my hand, this is an aeroplane. It is very fastest means of transport. हम लोग बहुत जल्दी से इससे एक दूसरे से दूसरी जगह पहुंच जाते हैं. And helicopter also and air transport. Okay. So lovely kids, जो transport, जो vehicles लैंड में चलते हैं, we call them land transport. Like scooty, bike, car, beep beep, auto rickshaw, bus, there was school bus also, and train. Yes, these all vehicles, yes, ride on a land में चलते हैं, तो we can say road transport also. And children, these transport like ship, steamer and submarine, yacht, boat, small boat, these are water transport. ये water में चलते हैं. Okay, children, so these are our transportation. These are our transport, and transport is very important for us. जब हम पहले थे तो ट्रांसपोर्ट की सुविधा नहीं थी, बट nowadays we have lots of transport. Okay, and these all transports are using for, yes, for traveling. Okay, one place to another. So children, you have to learn more and more about them. Okay, so lovely kids, we will revise our rhyme. And I know you all know that one rhyme. Yes. Okay, so stand up all of you. We will revise our rhyme. Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town. Wheels, yes, parts of the vehicles. Okay, so land transport ka vehicle ke parts bhi you can learn by this poem. The wipers on the bus go shh, shh, shh. The wipers on the bus go shh, shh, shh. All through the town. The horn on the bus go beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus go beep, beep, beep. on the bus go. Shut and down, shut and open, shut and open. So children, you can add more and more your vehicle parts. Okay, and the baby on the bus go wah 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 wah. The baby on the bus go wah 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 all through the town. Okay children, I know you all know this poem very well, but you have to revise your poem every day. So children, हम लोग देखेंगे कि हमारे पास क्या है आगे. So kids, after that you have to take out your World Around Me B book. Open the page number 40 and 41. You can see here many transportation, many modes of transport. So first you can see here land transport, air transport and water transport. So first of all we will read out land transport. So this is a metro. This is a bicycle. This is a car. This is a bus. You can see here down, this is a motorcycle, auto rickshaw, scooter, scooty we can say, and this is a truck. Here we can see this is a rickshaw and this is a train. So lovely kids, these are our land transport जो land में चलते हैं. Now you can see here air transport. This is a helicopter. This is an aeroplane. These are very fast modes of transport. So children, हम बहुत जल्दी इनसे दूसरी जगह पे पहुंच जाते हैं. Now down you can see water transport. This is a boat. This is a ship and this is a submarine. So land transport, air transport and water transport. You have to do picture reading, lovely kids. After that what you have to do is you have to take out your Be an Artist book. Okay, so kids, open the page number 2. Open the page number 2. So color the train. So children, we have to color the train, but we will not use a crayon. We are going to use a poster color, watercolor we are going to use. So for this coloring work, you need a brush and watercolor. So lovely kids, for these windows we need 2 squares. Okay, if you have glaze paper you can use your glaze paper. If you don't have, so please don't worry about it. You can use your colorful sheet. So I already cut these 2 squares for my windows, and we need glue also children. So lovely kids, we have to apply some glue over here and paste these 2 windows. Okay, this is a train children, and a train has windows. Okay, so what we have to do, you can see here colors are here. So first of all I am going to take blue color. Okay, here you can see, and use your brush and watercolor children. So children, in this part you have to fill blue color. Okay, yes, you can see how ma'am is doing. After that, in this portion you have to color red here. Okay, here also you can use red color upside. So children, by using watercolor or brush you have to complete this train. Okay, these are wheels. This is an engine. So lovely kids, you have to complete this train. So both the papers you have to complete, children. So these are windows, and here children, again you have to use red color or brown color, or you can use your favorite color also make it colorful. So lovely kids, by coloring you have to complete this page number 2 children. Okay, complete this box also here and here. तो ये पूरी आपको ट्रेन फिल करके बना के भेजनी है. Okay children, so complete this page and keep watching. Bye.